Now coming back to West Bengal doctors. Doctors have hit out at the Mamata Banerjee government amid its ongoing tussle with the centre over alleged fudging of the COVID-19 numbers, the death figures. Doctors belonging to the Association of Health Services in West Bengal have written a scathing letter to the state government. They have raised concerns over audit committee formed by the state government to decide if deaths are actually due to coronavirus. They have demanded that the doctors must be solely empowered to give death certificates and nobody else. Speaking exclusively to India Today, the secretary of the 30-year-old Doctors Association said that they are not satisfied with what the state government is doing and have raised questions on the liaison officer appointed by the state. This is not the first time the doctors have raised their objection in the state. Last month too, West Bengal Doctors Forum raised similar concerns.
And the problem was that there is a definite guideline of ICMR regarding the death certificate, issue of death certificate. And repeatedly the doctors of the West Bengal was demanding that give us the right to write the death certificate according to the ICMR guideline. There is a definite guideline, and repeatedly from our organization, from the other organization of the West Bengal, repeatedly we have asked for wide circulation of that ICMR guideline, and so that the doctors across the states will not feel any, should be given the open hand regarding this.
Let's quickly go over to Karnataka, where resident doctors in Karnataka are currently protesting, wearing black bands. They've intensified their protest against the state government owing to stipend that has been allotted to them. The doctors who are currently risking their lives on the front lines, tirelessly fighting this COVID-19 pandemic, are now demanding a hike in their stipend amount, which barely is at 30,000 rupees that's being given to them. It, however, is a lot less compared to every other state. In fact, it's also in violation to the Medical Council of India's guidelines, which asks for at least 80 to 85,000 to be given as stipend to these resident junior and senior doctors. This comes while their tuition fee is charged 5-fold more. Again, much high in compared to other states. Junior resident doctors in Karnataka pay 1.3 lakh as tuition fee, while senior residents pay 2.3 lakhs. Multiple representations have been made to the Karnataka government since 2015. Successive governments have not been able to meet their request, and now, considering it's a pandemic, coronavirus crisis has led to all of these doctors risking their lives beyond measure, standing on the front lines and fighting this. It's only time that the Karnataka government steps in and responds to them. They're awaiting a response from the state government now.
We, interns, residents and postgraduates work in Government Medical College of Karnataka without rest in spite of getting such a low stipend. We are doing a black badge protest today in order to seek the attention of the government and to listen to our demands.
We, the interns, postgraduates and residents all over Karnataka are wearing this black badge and working today as a sign of protest. We request the government of Karnataka to consider this issue seriously and take the needful action.
The last time we have received a hike in our stipend was in the year of 2015. We have been requesting the government since the past 1 year to increase our stipend, but instead the academic fees has been increased for the medical course.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.